Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to blend makeup into face using Photoshop CC. There are many ways available to do it, but in this video, I will show you the easiest and most effective way to do it. Are you ready? Let's get started. Select your image, go to the layer panel and duplicate the image. Then select the lasso tool. Then you have to select the face area on both sides at a time. First select one side and hold the shift key and select another side. Now go to the layer panel, select the layer and right click on the adjustment layer. Select color balance. Then go to the properties and balance your color. Then select mask and change the feather to adjust the color. We have done it now. Then click on the eye view and see the difference between both images.